Today's topic is chloroform. Next important topic, chloroform. In this chloroform, we'll discuss method of preparation of chloroform, different method of preparation, physical properties, chemical properties, and where it is used. This is the important compound of this chapter, chloroform. So now first we'll discuss method of preparation of chloroform. How can we obtain chloroform? So first, the simplest method of preparation of chloroform is chlorination of methane. Means in chlorination of methane, each hydrogen from the methane compound is replaced by chlorine atom, and at last you will get carbon tetrachloride. Means all the four hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine atom, then you will get carbon tetrachloride. So first method of preparation is chlorination of methane. Chlorination of methane. So in this one, when chlorination of methane takes place in presence of sunlight or UV light, so HCl is removed, then you will get methyl chloride. Then again one hydrogen replaced by chlorine atom, HCl removes, then again chlorination, sunlight, here also again, here we will get methylene chloride, CS2Cl2. Then again chlorination, sunlight, again HCl is removed from the compound, you will get CaCl3. This is chloroform. Then again, if you want to do again chlorinations, sunlight, then after that reaction will complete. Means all the hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine atoms. So this is carbon tetrachloride, this is chloroform. This is the first method of preparation by direct means chlorination of methane. Now we will discuss the second one, reduction method. Means when carbon tetrachloride is reduced in the presence of iron fillings and steam. Iron fillings and steam. This is the other method of preparation. When carbon tetrachloride is reduced in the presence of iron fillings and steams, here we get chloroform, then HCl. So in this chlorination of methane, you want to prepare chloroform, so you can use chlorine. Chlorination you will do, then you want to get the good quality of chloroform, so just maintain the ratio of chlorine as well as methane. Then second is reduction of carbon tetrachloride. Now the second important reactions is purest chloroform you want to obtain. So you can use chloral hydrate. So chloral hydrate treated with NaOH. Chloral hydrate treated with. Next one is pure chloroform. If you want to obtain pure chloroform, you want to obtain, so distillating the chloral hydrate, displacing the chloral hydrate with the sodium hydroxide solution. Chloral hydrate with sodium hydroxide solution, you will get CHCl3 plus HCOONA. Then chloral hydrate CS3 CONA, then S2, you will get S2. The chloroform, this is the chloroform, purest form of chloroform. Then here is sodium formate. This is the method of preparation of chloroform. Now we will discuss the physical properties of chloroform. So chloroform is colorless, having the sticky sweet smelling and as well as taste. Melting point is 334 Kelvin. Then it is springly soluble in water, but fully soluble in organic solvent. Then it is good solvent for oil and fats. These are the physical properties of chloroform. Now we will take the chemical properties of chloroform. The properties already we discussed, but I am repeating physical properties. Instead of melting point, boiling point will come. So physical properties is the colorless, have the distinct sweet smell as well as taste. Boiling point is 334 Kelvin. Springly soluble in water, but fully soluble in organic solvent, benzene, ether, etc. Then this is a good solvent for fats and ions. Now chemical properties. So सबसे पहले जो है chemical properties में आ जाएगा oxidation. In the presence of air and light, it is oxidized to form a poisonous gas, जिसे बोला जाता है phosgene gas, carbonyl chloride. ये जो है क्लोरोफॉर्म जो है ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट एंड एयर एंड फॉर्म द पॉइजनस गैस, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कार्बोनिल क्लोराइड, COCl2, phosgene gas. सो फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन को रोकने के लिए हम लोग जो है डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेथड अप्लाई करते हैं, लाइक प्रिवेंशंस फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द ऑक्सीडेशन. सो फर्स्ट है द बॉटल शुड बी फिल अप टू द ब्रीम, should be filled up to the brim. Second है these solutions it is prevent so cut off the lights. Second, now third one, they are adding the small quantity of ethyl alcohol, 1% of ethyl alcohol they are adding in the chloroform. That's why जो हमारे पास इथेनॉल है it will behave as a negative catalyst. जो नेगेटिव कैटलिस्ट होगा वो करेगा आपके पास जो फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है क्लोरोफॉर्म का उसको प्रिवेंट करेगा. देन इट विल फॉर्म इथिलीन डाई इथाइल कार्बोनेट फॉर्म. नाउ वन बाय वन विल डिस्कस फर्स्ट ऑक्सीडेशन. सो नाउ क्लोरोफॉर्म इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट or air or light. It will form phosgene gas, COCl2 plus HCl. COCl2, this is the phosgene gas or carbonyl chloride. This is the poisonous chemical. So how can we prevent the oxidation? So cut off the light, the bottle should be cut off the light. Then the bottle should be filled up to the brim. Then adding 1% of ethyl alcohol to ethyl alcohol behave as a negative catalyst for these reactions and form the ethylene carbonate. So the reaction I am writing here. This is a 1% ethanol are adding in chloroform. In chloroform, 1% ethylene, we are adding 1% of ethanol into this one to form C2H5 to CO3, C2H5 plus H2 or not H2, HCl, 2HCl. Here we are getting 2 C2H5, 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen and 1 3 oxygen here. Then here is 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. So it is known as ethylene carbonate. This is formed. जो ये जो compound set will behave as a negative catalyst to stop the further oxidation of phosgene. This is the first one. Second one, chlorination. This is another chemical properties. Chlorination. So क्लोरोफॉर्म का जब आप क्लोरीनेशन करते हो you will get carbon chloride. You get Cl plus Hcl. Chlorinations. Then next one is reduction. Next one is reduction. So here जो हमारे पास क्लोरोफॉर्म है, क्लोरोफॉर्म का रिडक्शंस करते हो by different methods. Like ZnHCl and ZnH2O, ZnHCl and ZnH2O reduction done. Chloroform, if reduction takes place with zinc chloride, तो आपके पास जो reductions होगा you will get CH2Cl2 plus HCl, CH2Cl2 plus HCl. Here reduction will takes place CH4 plus 3HCl, 3HCl. So जिंक और वाटर के साथ रिडक्शन होगा तो हमारे पास मीथेन मिलेगा. जिंक और एसिड के साथ होगा हमारे पास then you will get CS2Cl2. This is the methyl chloride. Now uses. So chloroform जो है वो ऐसा laboratory reagent होता है. Then it is used in some organic compounds. और first time जो है as it is used as a anesthesia. So first use हुआ था anesthesia में use हुआ था, but इसका drawbacks जो था formation of phosgene gas, that's why उसकी place पर less toxic substance use किया गया. This is the uses of chloroform. Many uses of chloroform is given in your textbook.